Sometimes you realize you've made a mistake a few stitches back in a row, and instead of waiting till the next row to fix the mistake, which I'll show you how to do in another lesson, another thing you can do is just unknit a few stitches. And first I'm going to show you that on a stockinette stitch swatch, and then I'm going to show you that on a lace swatch. And I want to show you this both on the right side and wrong side on the work because it works the same either way. It's really whichever is more comfortable for you. So let's pretend, or this is not pretend, this is totally for real. I'm on the right side of my work and I want to undo some of these stitches on my left hand needle. So with my right hand needle, I'm going to come into the stitch underneath the stitch on my needle. So here's the stitch on my needle. Here's the stitch underneath. I'm going to come into it from the back to the front. You can see I'm ending up with that right leg right on the front of the needle. And then this is crazy. I'm slipping that stitch off my left-hand needle, but since my right-hand needle was already up and in the stitch underneath, I've just transferred it over to the right-hand needle. So I'll do that a little more quickly now. I'm coming in from the back to the front, slipping it off, and then you can see I'm just pulling that yarn right out like that, being all ready. So here I am unknitting. You'll see as you get into it that you can go quite quickly, and sometimes this really is the speediest way to fix a mistake.